Look at this function. You pass in a name and it logs it. Simple, predictable, life is good. Now check this out. We define a variable outside the function and use it inside. No parameters, no magic. It still works. As you can see, JavaScript isn't yelling at us. This is what we call a closure. When a function uses a variable from outside its own scope. Cool, but why does this even work? That's where lexical scope comes in. I know it sounds fancy, but bear with me. Lexical just means based on where something is written in code. Functions in JavaScript remember the environment where they were defined, not where they're called. Let's test that with a little trap. We have a function called logX, which logs, you guessed it, the variable x. Outside of everything, we declare the variable x with a value of 5. Then we have another function, run. And inside run, we redefine x as 10 and then call logX. So what will this log? 10, right? Nope. It logs 5 because logX closes over the x it saw when it was defined, not the x where it's called. That's lexical scope, and this behavior is called a closure. Now here's where closures get powerful. Let's say you want to build a counter, a function that counts up every time you call it. You could just declare a count variable globally and increment it. But ew. Global variables? Let's be better than that. Instead, we create a function called createCounter. Inside, we declare count with the value of 0. Then we return another function that increments count and logs it. Now every time we call the return function, the count goes up. It works, even though createCounter is long gone. Why? Because the inner function is holding onto the variable count. That's a closure. The function remembers the variable from the scope where it was born. Like a nostalgic developer still remembering jQuery. Here's the key concept. When a function is created, JavaScript stores reference to its surrounding lexical environment, including the variables in it. That environment stays alive in memory as long as the function needs it. Which is why closures are so useful. We can use them for hiding variables, aka private state, creating customizable functions, handling timers, async code, event handlers. Basically, anytime you want a function to carry data around it, closures got your back.